Please welcome Rabia Mateo.
Hey!
Hi, Rabia.
Kamusta
Hello.
ka?
Okay naman. Ikaw, nakita na ba tayo?
Parang joke. This is the first time that I saw you. At ang gwapo mo po pala sa personal.
Talaga?
Yes po. Hindi po kayo mukhang 60.
Wow. Bigyan ng jacket yan! Bigyan ng jacket. Okay. Kamusta mo yung mga kababayan?
Can
Okay.
I say it in Hiligay Noy?
Siligay Noy.
Madamo nga salamat sa tanan nga Ilonggo nga nagsuporta sa akon sa journey nga ni gina-offer ko gid ang corona sa inyo kag mapuli na si Rabia soon. Makita ko kamutanan kay palangga ko kamutanan.
Ang lalambing, no?
Lambing.
Lalambing. When they announced that you are the winner, ano yung na-feel mo?
Hindi Kuya Will makapaniwala eh. Because gusto kong manalo, pero ang dami din kasing malalakas, ang dami ding porsidido. But during that night, the stars were aligned for me.
Question, sa pageant, kailangan ba magaling ka mag-English? Kailangan ba magaling ka sumagot? Does it give a 100 points para manalo ka? Kasi when you talk about Miss Universe, when you talk about beauty pageant, it's about beauty. So, kailangan ba beauty and brains? Paano ba to?
Sir Will, I think tama yung sabi ni Rabia na the stars aligned for her. Because all of us had difficult questions. All of us gave really, really strong answers. All of us were on point and beautiful that night. But she was just glowing and the judges really liked her. So it was her night. It was her destiny.
Oh, nice of you naman. And also, ha?
Yeah, it's destiny because going back to the question that you asked, it's really not a necessity for you to speak English fluently. It's not how you say it, it's about what exactly you're saying, the message that you're trying to share to the people and how you manage to somehow touch their minds and touch their hearts. And I think Rabia was able to do that.
Galing, no?
Ganda. Ang
Para ako nasa pageant!
Grabe, no?
Okay, how about you, Miss Paranaque?
Well, for me po, aside from what they said nga, it's also your personality. So, kailangan ipakita mo talaga kung sino ka. So, if that means you speak English, you speak Tagalog, you speak Bisaya, whatever it is, dapat proud ka sa sarili mo and you're proud of who you are and where you come from. So, again, Rabia, basta Ilongga, guwapa, you're able to do that.
Ililibre mo kami mamaya. Ililibre mo
Say
kami
na
mamaya.
thank you guys for supporting me. And you know, it has been a very difficult journey. It's been just 4 days. And you know, hearing you complimenting me, it means a lot. And you guys, you are queens of yourselves. And I want to share, this is not just my crown, this is our crown.
Oh, that's it. That's the heart. That's the heart.
Alam mo, buti din, kinuha niya itong Miss Universe Philippines, ha? Di ba? Eto na eh.
Yes.
Sa lahat ng mga nangangarap, sa lahat ng mga gusto maging Miss Universe Philippines, at maging beauty queen, di ba? Maging gandang Pilipina, eto ang inspirasyon niyo. Sila, because this is the first time, okay? This is the first Miss Universe Philippines na ginawa.
Yes.
And at the same time, she's under front row, Jonas, Miss Chamsi, talagang, kumbaga, reliable. And also, paniniwalaan mo talaga, they are all winners, di ba?
Yes, Kuya, ang hirap nga kasi nung nag-judge kami, para kung pwede lang namin talaga, nung nag-judge kami ni Sam, talagang hindi namin alam, kung pwede silang lahat, as in, lahat silang pantay-pantay, yun talaga yung aanuhin namin.
Anong pinanalo ni Rabia? What's the point?
Well, sa
Bakit
akin,
siya napag-usapan? Bakit siya nanalo? If you don't mind.
well, for me, nakita ko yung glow sa mata niya nung night na yun. I was looking at the monitor kasi nung nagja-judge kami, nasa harap po kami, tapos kita namin yung mga girls sa harap. Pero ang importante din po sa akin is kung ano po yung nakikita sa monitor, kung paano siya nagtatranslate. At nung panahon yun, lahat sila nakikita ko yung ningning. Pero paglabas ni Rabia, may lamang siya ng isang paligo. Parang may lamang siya ng isang paligo sa ningning nun. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman nakikita si Rabia before that. Doon lang po ako sa si Sam sumama sa prelims. Ako po wala. So nung night na yun, doon ko nakita na iba yung itsura nito. Pag nakita mo siya nag-emote. Actually, ang maganda kay Rabia din, and also with the other girls, kung makita mo sila backstage, natural, relaxed, down to earth, parang tao lang. Pero pag makita mo na stage, Kuya Will, Reyna, parang lahat sila may suot na corona. Lahat talaga.
Bakit 5? Wala si Michelle, no?
Michelle,